Hey everyone, I am ExitSign250 and welcome to Exit an Emergency, Episode 2. Since this video is being uploaded on December 1st, and I guess it's technically the beginning of the Christmas holiday, I decided to decorate my room with all these lights. Kind of see it going around, and comes back right here. So you could say this is some sort of Christmas special, and if you're watching it when it's not Christmas, then just ignore all these lights. And every year that I decorate with these lights around my room, I always choose a green exit sign with a red exit sign, because you know that's Christmas colors. And when I run the lights, I usually run them over or string them around exit signs and emergency lights in my room. So that's kind of what I did here. They're just, they are icicle lights, and they kind of run over the sign. Speaking of this sign, this is a Lithonia LQM second generation AC only exit sign. And one of my older signs, actually, you can kind of see there's some tape marks when I used to have it taped to my wall, actually above the door. But it's right here. Obviously the arrow is pointing to the right, where the exit is, and above the door I have a generic all LED exit sign combo in green. Looks kind of neat up here. Give it a test. Somewhat bright, and yeah, there you go. Moving on to the other side of my room, we have a emergency light, and this is just a generic emergency light with reflectors. Not so typical though. I don't even think this one actually has a brand on it. But it's okay in brightness. It actually has reflectors, which is nice. So there you have it, and there's some ugly lights strung around it. So and something else I wanted to note is I recently put up this shelf right here, kind of as a display shelf, and I have two exit signs on it that are probably going to be here just for display. I'll occasionally install them, but here we have a Dual-Lite R2CX exit sign, see only. And then we have something else that's kind of I would say rare. This is a Light Alarms X series. It looks pretty similar to this, except this one's actually all plastic except for the faceplate, and it's also reversed face. It has a green, which you can't really see. There, that's kind of better. You can see it has a green face with white lettering, and it's very unique. I got it brand new in the box, and I love it, so I also have it here. And these two signs are wired with these lights connected in, so they're kind of here when the lights come on. And then I have two fire alarms, Yellow 7002T, and a vintage Edwards coated pole, just kind of on display here with lights wrapped around it. So just thought I'd mention that. But anyhow, we are now in emergency mode, and you can see this generic combo's on. The left lamp head is lighting up the doorway, and then the right one is positioned down here, so it kind of lights up this area. Obviously the LQM is off because it's AC only. And then this emergency light over here is on. Kind of has a pattern to the light. It's somewhat bright, maybe a little brighter in person. It's a neat little emergency light. Obviously these are off too. But there you have it. So kind of a neat little setup in my opinion. Here in my dad's office, I have nothing Christmas related, but I do have the Dual-Lite LPX exit sign combo. It's a pretty old combo. The LEDs, if you can't see already, are starting to fail. I think there's two out on this side, but maybe one day I could replace them and resolder some new ones on. But here it is. Give it a quick test. Press the test button, and the emergency lights come on. And of course the arrow points to the door. So there you have it. And I'll go ahead and turn it on to emergency mode with the lights off so you can kind of see what it would look like. Fortunately, it is the middle of the day, so it's going to be a little harder to show everything to the full extent, but let's see how it works out. And we are now in emergency mode, and you can see this lamp head right here. Have it positioned kind of right here. See it a lot better in person. And then the other one right here, I wanted it positioned over here, but there's not really the best adjustment range with these heads, so it kind of is pointed at this chair. but you can still, it'll still shine about here too, and some back here. But there you go. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think, and tell me what you think of this little Christmas special of some sort, and these lights. But yeah, so that's gonna do it, and thank you so much for watching, and I guess I'll see you guys in another video.